Yo, Deuce, you hear about this fuckboy Danny? Fucking American Idol reject. Fucking faggots.
That's when we ride. That's when we ride on these bitches. Oh, that's when we ride. That's when we ride on these bitches. That's when we ride on bitches. You fucking faggot snitches. So don't you try, we packing nines, we leave you dead in ditches. That's when we ride on bitches. You fucking faggot snitches. So don't you try, we packing nines, we leave you dead in ditches.
Yo, Hollywood, who? Without my dog Deuce? Don't make me have to ride, man, the boy got juice. In or outside, this ain't only in the booth. Somebody gotta die, they gon' wish they called truce. Kinda major on the track, got truth. Catch, you got the facts if you faggots want proof. Might as well hang it up now, no noose. I'm fucking everybody, leave your pussies all loose. Tie 'em up and I'll throw 'em in the trunk. Fuckers want a war and I'ma give 'em what they want. Bend their ass over, I'ma treat 'em like a punk. Prison, break that ass off, go till I bust a nut. I don't give a fuck, never have, never will. Go try and find a better rapper with some better skill. I murder motherfuckers, I massacre for the thrill. Itching for some fucking killing and blood is my Benadryl.
That's when we ride on bitches. You fucking faggot snitches. So don't you try, we packing nines, we leave you dead in ditches. That's when we ride on bitches. You fucking faggot snitches. So don't you try, we packing nines, we leave you dead in ditches. Look, now you've got to admit, no one likes your pussy music. It's like you sold out but didn't sell shit, you fucking idiots. Lip sync facts, Milli Vanilli, bitch. How the fuck do you call yourself a band? You can barely rap it. So now what comes up must come down. When this shit flops, it won't be around. Saying I can spit was the biggest mistake. Now one that sucks a bunch of fake. Shot is getting overweight, the fact that we call names. Let's play a game, everyone's listening. When I say fuck, sing along and say fuck, ain't you? Fuck, ain't you? When I say what's my name, you call me Big Deuce. What's my name, Big Deuce? That's when we ride on bitches. You fucking faggot snitches. So don't you try, we packing nines, we leave you dead in ditches. That's when we ride on bitches. You fucking faggot snitches. So don't you try, we packing nines, we leave you dead in ditches.
What it is, I'm best in the biz. Black ski mask in the cig. 2 clips, 2 sips. Off of that rose. Hit my man Jose with the coke weight. OC in a bump of the creek, create you. Be softer than the sea breeze, fuck you. We be nutted in a Reese's and we see more domo, more blow, Dusko solo. Drop y'all homo, so fly. Out come the parachute. I'm always first to bail, never scared to shoot. The truth, you know I'm out for the loot. Headed to the top, we moving through the roof. Shorty got her top down just like the coupe. Fuck you, this is not lies. Real life mob ties. One slip and you all die.
That's when we ride on bitches. You fucking faggot snitches. So don't you try, we packing nines, we leave you dead in ditches. What? Say what the fuck? 6 shooters up. Now what the fuck? Point them up.
I'ma snatch your mask off and tell it like it is. No more talent, no more showbiz. Deuce left the band, now y'all a bunch of jokes. Hollywood is dead, that's all she fucking wrote. Leave you dead in the ditches. Heard you was snitches, 9 lives. That's how we ride on you bitches. Yeah, I said it's dope boy from GML. If you get hard feelings, oh well, do something. You could've famed on your best day. The Wiz Kid's gone, that's why you get less pay. Still remember when your first album dropped. Skipped it to the chorus, the rest y'all flopped. Whack ass lyrics, I mean garbage. Leaky like a faucet, your whole entourage. Wish on a star, bitch, you'll never make a million. 9 lives at GML in the building.
That's when we ride.